Continue our lesson with normal random variable. What if we are asked for the approximate location of a score? Can we still use the mean and the standard deviation? Let's say we have this problem. Determine the approximate location of the score x equals to 75 that lies in a normally distributed set of scores with a mean of mu is equals to 120 and a standard deviation of sigma is equals to 38.25. To answer this, we need to follow the certain steps. First, determine whether the scores is above or below the mean. Through the given, we can see that the mean in the scores is 120 and the score that we are looking for is 75. Since x is equals to 75 has a smaller value or is less than compared to the mean which is 120, we can say that x must lie below the mean or x must lie to the left of the mean. Second, determine the scores 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations below the mean. One standard deviation will be mu minus sigma. Substitute the values, we can get 120 minus 38.25 and that is 81.75. Two standard deviation below the mean will be mu minus 2 sigma or that is 120 minus 2 times 38.25 is equal to 43.50. And lastly, 3 standard deviations below the mean will be mu minus 3 sigma or that is 120 minus 3 times 38.25 and that is equal to 5.25. Third, we have to locate the score by comparing to the scores 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations below the mean. So we have these answers from step 2, the values of 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations below the mean or to the left of the mean, and we are looking for the approximate location of the score x equals to 75. Since x equals to 75 lies between 43.50 and 81.75, we can say that the mean minus 2 standard deviations, that is 43.50, is less than 75 and 75 is less than mean minus standard deviation. Or we can also say that 75 lies between mu minus 2 sigma or 2 standard deviations below the mean and mu minus sigma or 1 standard deviation below the mean. Now in this problem, it is important to note that we are not looking for the exact location of the score x equals to 75. What we are looking is only the approximate location of the score x equals to 75. And we've found that x equals to 75 lies in between of 2 standard deviations below the mean and 1 standard deviation below the mean.